Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to customize threads profile. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's get started. For this you have to open your Threads app. Now go to your account. Here you can see the option of edit profile. Press on this. From here you can customize your profile. You can add your bio, you can add your links, you can add your Facebook link, Instagram link or etc. Then press on the sign option. After doing all of these things, you just have to press the done option. That's it. So this is how to customize Threads profile. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.